disconnected.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Just thought we'd get out and go on a little dirt road to get a 2-up again. This bike seems a lot better than the 250, so it's kind of more enjoyable. So here we go. Oh, it's nice and cool through here. It's 81 degrees today. You can see down here, average 72 miles per gallon. Not bad. See a squirrel?
Nice and cool on this road. Got a cool breeze.
Feels good. That's a nice lookout, but I don't know if you can see much this time of year with the leaves on.
I smell honeysuckle like crazy.
There's lots of that blooming out. Lots and lots of it.
One of my favorite smells.
Oh yeah, you could see it if the leaves. Well, you can still see it if you stop. Pretty nice view from up here. We'd actually been on a ride today down to Eureka Springs and just now on our way back, cutting back through some dirt roads. They took dirt roads down too, but you got to get on some highway.
Yeah, the clouds look like we're fixing to get some rain.
We might get rained on, you might get drowned back there. You should be okay with that helmet on.
What'd you duck your head for?
That grapevine hanging down. I didn't know how low it was hanging down.
I'm sitting up higher than you and it didn't hit me.
I guess you are, ain't you? Yeah. Uh-oh, watch out. It's a Subaru. What is that? Some kind of
It looks like some kind of quilting design, but I don't know what that is.
Maybe they're quilters.
Maybe they are. That's what it looks like. It looks like one of the quilting patterns I've seen on something. It could be mean something else too. I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know what the temperature is now, but with the clouds coming over like that, it definitely cooled down. Actually, it feels good to me.
Yeah, it does.
Figured you'd be freezing back there.
Nope. I didn't even think to bring a jacket with me today because it was nice like it was yesterday.
Very nice. This is just a short little ride. This is, call it Sugar Camp Tower Road near Roaring River in southwest Missouri. Pretty simple. It's not technical, but there is some trails off to each side. There's some that's technical, mainly on this side. There's a few over here, but not real technical. Uh-oh, somebody's having a party.
That's a picnic.
Yeah, or sure are. Nitpicking. Picking and a grinning.
Man, the honeysuckle is really strong down through on this road.
Yeah, it is. It smells good.
Oh, gosh.
I think we ought to have a smell-a-tube and people could smell what we're smelling.
Oh,
I
no.
don't know, sometimes you don't want to when there's a dead coon laying there in the ditch.
All right.
Then the smell-a-tube wouldn't be too whoopee.
Yeah.
Look at all of them out there. Bunch of people riding these trails.
I can smell the two-stroke mix. Don't ask me where I was trying to come up with 2.0 to that, but
I remember them days of 2-strokes.
yep.
Maxima Caster 927. They ain't nothing smelled that any better than that. Oh, Grandma ain't moving too fast. Check that out.
What the hell was that, a rattlesnake?
Looked like it. Looked like a rattlesnake. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, I mean, a big one.
I'm glad he's dead. Oh my god. That thing is freaky looking.
Look at that. Somebody's already got his rattler off.
Yeah, they cut the rattlers.
They usually do. That dude is a monster.
That is a fat looking snake. Ooh. Ooh. I'm glad he's dead.
We always see a snake on our adventures.
Yep. Let's not see one of those alive.
I'm gonna run over him.
I know he's dead, but that's nasty. I don't want him flipping up on me. I would freak out.
Sling the guts and junk all over the bike.
Sling his fangs up where he could still get poison in you.
I ran over one time. Actually, me and Kevin Packwood in a Jeep. Old Army Jeep I had. Ran over one and we looked right back as soon as I ran over it, and it wasn't there. And that's kind of freaky because where is it? It's Copperhead.
He got up in the axle, didn't he?
Well, that's what we thought. Did the tire flip it up under the Jeep somewhere? Oh, this is so pretty through here.
I bet you he was. I bet you he was up in the axle.
Well, I heard somebody changed their flat one time. They changed the flat and then reached under there and it bit them. Snake was up under there.
I've heard of that happening before.
It can happen.
It's like the black widow that I found up underneath the camper when we moved it.
Yeah.
Underneath the wheel of the wheelbase. When I was cleaning it before we moved it back into the shop, when we started to move it back in the garage at the house. That was freaky. That was one big, huge spider. I think it was about ready to have babies, too. I don't like spiders. I don't like snakes.
So don't be sending her one for her birthday.
No.
It's been a while since I've seen a rattlesnake.
Last one you seen was with Dale.
Yeah, Dale and Kevin and Blake, I think, and all of us was riding.
Yeah.
We seen 2 of them.
Yeah. That's the only thing that scares me about motorcycles is that because you're in the open. And if you happen to hit a snake just right, it could probably flip it up on you.
They'd just flip it off the back tire up on you.
I don't care. I just can imagine that thing flipping up and landing on me.
As long as it landed on you and not me, we can keep on going.
I would be treading water when there ain't no water. I'd be treading it, let me tell you.
You could wear it like a necklace.
Ugh. Holy crap, look at the cars.
Roaring River State Park, and they're busy.
Yep.
My goodness. This place just flooded not too long ago. You can actually see the dirt on the asphalt out here, how muddy it was.
Look, still got water running right there.
But it's went down now.
Yep. Oh, a little fishy down here.
Yeah, I imagine it washed a few up on the ground.
Deep. That is a big.
Yep.
They got a lot of dirt.
Got a long reach.
Big old arm on that dude. Okay, so I know that at least with this compared with it right now, that if we decided to go for a 4-hour ride somewhere, it's tolerable.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot better than the 250. I mean, I can tell that. Get a good seat concept seat on here, it'll be even better.
Yep.
Well, we're fixing to try this dude 2 up Roaring River Hill, which is I know it ain't gonna show it on the video, but it's a pretty good climb going up Roaring River Hill. To the right up here. So that'll be a good test. From a dead stop. Here we go. Oh yeah, ain't no problem. I mean, I'm shifting every gear so far and it's still pulling. Even in fifth, it's gaining. So as long as you're gaining, that's good. Of course, I get behind this car and now I gotta slow down. But boy, it pulled it easy.
Yeah, it did.
Easier than the 250, no doubt. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.